Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from applecritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about an error that I got when I was restoring from backup using iCloud. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So this error actually occurred on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this was the error that I was getting when I tried to restore from backup. So I originally inputted my Apple ID, and my Apple ID is actually completely different from this Apple ID. So when I entered it in, I was able to put in my iCloud first, it was fine. But then when I put in my actual Apple ID, then I started to find that I would get some random Apple ID. So this was the first random Apple ID I got, and it was super weird that I got this random Apple ID after I put in my iCloud details, and then I entered in my own Apple ID. And then the next one that showed up after I hit next was this Apple ID. So it was almost as if it was a glitch, and I thought something happened to my iCloud and Apple ID account, but it was just odd that this happened. Now the video confirming this is right here, so I just hit next, and then when I tried to hit next, it would tell me to enter in that password for that random Apple ID, and then I couldn't go back for a while. So you can see this is essentially what happened. So it was very odd that this happened, and I never had this issue before using the restore from iCloud backup. So in order to fix what happened, I just kept on trying to enter in my Apple ID, then just hitting back and then entering in my own Apple ID. And I just tried and tried again. I even turned off my iPhone and then turn it back on and then tried to do a restore from iCloud backups. So I kept being persistent. I even tried to press skip this step. And then eventually I was able to access all my iCloud backups, and then the iCloud restore from backup worked. So it's quite a very interesting issue. I don't know if I'm the only one that experienced it, but I thought it was worth making a video on it just to show what can possibly happen when you do a restore from iCloud backup. So that was my experience with doing a restore from iCloud backup. I'm glad that I was able to still get all my old backup on my iPhone, so that's good that that happened. So that is the restore from iCloud backup error that I was getting. So hopefully you thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button down below so you watched. Also be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Be sure to check out applecritics.com for your Apple news, and more. And also be sure to check out my social media profiles. I have a Facebook, a Twitter, and an Instagram. The username there is AppleCritics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.